How to fix CapCut Pro no internet connection problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about the no internet connection issue in CapCut or CapCut Pro. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of CapCut application on your mobile device. To verify that, you can open your Play Store, click on the search bar, type in CapCut. And if you see an update button instead of open button right over here, simply tap on it to update it to its latest and newest version available. After that, you also have to check if your internet connection is stable and is working perfectly. If your Wi-Fi is not working at the moment, you can switch it to your cellular data. And if you're using the mobile data, you can switch back to your Wi-Fi version and try using the application again. Moreover, open your system settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. From here, simply search for CapCut application. Once you find the app, tap on it and then scroll down and go to storage and then click on clear cache and also click on clear data. But clearing the data will also delete all the files, settings, accounts and databases. So you have to be very careful regarding that. Now come back and make sure that you have given all the permission to this application, including microphone, music and audio, photos and videos, camera, notifications, and everything. Also try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Then go to the batteries section and then tap on unrestricted. Come back, and if these solutions do not work, simply tap and hold the application and then tap on uninstall. Click on OK to confirm. And then go back, open Play Store, search for CapCut and reinstall the application from here. So this was all about it. These steps are going to help you fix the no internet connection in CapCut or CapCut Pro. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.